Hello YouTube, hello world. Welcome to my farm in Colombia. Today's video is about when to start pig farming. Which month is the best month to start pig farming? And my answer will be dependent on genetics and depending on how you feed the pig, is between July and September. And the reason why I say July and September, early July, early September, early August, is because Christmas time. If you look at my previous videos, I had more pigs than this. This whole side was filled with pigs. Now we just really got the 4 that we started with. I mean, from the first batch of pigs that we bought. On this side, we down to 4, and those are the 2 pigs I bought about 2 weeks ago or last week or something like that. But those are not going to the butcher. Those are for pregnancies. But yeah, July, August, September are the best time to start pig farming. Depending on genetics and how you feed the pig. And the reason why is because Christmas time. All the butchers, all the slaughterhouses, they will be calling you, blowing up your phone, looking for pigs, looking for meat. And also, too, another factor is, you know, where your location is. Here in Colombia, the locals like to roast the pig, and they like to have a pig for, you know, their Christmas or the 24th or something like that. And that's another sale. So you're gonna have the butcher, the locals that want to roast the pig for themselves, and the slaughterhouse. All 3 of these sources will be looking for a pig during the Christmas time. And basically, if your money's together and you have all your finances together, you charge what you want. You know, you can charge above the regular price, whatever the market is in your region. So I think those 3 months, July, August, September, like I said, depending on the breed, whatever, that's the best time to start pig farming. And because you're going to be in the profit region during those times, because they're going to want all those pigs. So that's the end of this video. I just wanted to let everyone know when is the best time to start pig farming, when they want to get into pig farming, because you're going to have a lot of people calling you around this time. You're going to have sales from the local people, depending on what area you live in. Like I said, I live in Colombia, so they like to roast the pig on Christmas. And you're going to have the butchers, restaurants. I live in a tourist area, so there's a lot of restaurants in this area. So their business is booming. So that means the butcher's business is booming, and family visits and all that extra stuff. So those 3 months, to me, are the best time to start a pig farm. Thank you for watching the video.